If you wanna know what I want for Christmas, just get me what I need. If you wanna know what I need for Christmas, just give me one good deed. But there's no need for you to worry, there are 6 whole months to go. There's no need for you to hurry, it's the summertime, take it slow. Oh, enjoy, enjoy the blue skies and the sun. I'm fine, there's still time, so relax and have your fun. If you wanna get me something special, you better start planning now. Something special could make all the difference if you only knew how. But there's no need for you to worry, because there's still 3 months to go. There's really no need for you to hurry, it's time, so take it slow. Oh, there's time, still time to enjoy the autumn nights, the bronze trees and the fallen leaves in the cool September light. I wish you could get me what I want, I wish you could get me what I need to take the pain away. Would you let me here alone and spending Christmas on your own? Well, that's not a happy day. Do you know how many people spend this week without a smile? Spend this week without a hope? And for all the happy faces, there are 1,000 different places that hold a person struggling to cope. Now it's over, there are just 6 days until New Year. Have you any clue how people on their own feel at New Year? They cry, some die, some don't know why they feel like they do. They all hear the festive cheer ringing in their ear, and it cuts them in two. Oh, it cuts them in two. New Year's without me, you'll be celebrating. New Year's without me, you'll be celebrating. New Year's without me, I'm celebrating. New Year's alone, you'll be living the New Year without me, you'll be living the New Year without me, you'll be living the New Year without me, I'm living the